Hi friends, today in this class I am going to teach you degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So degrees of comparison is related with parts of speech adjective. Adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. So like here in verb there are four forms: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 and verb 4. Verb 1 present tense, verb 2 past tense, verb 3 past participle form and verb 4 present participle form. Just like here in adjective also there are 3 degrees. Adjective also in 3 degrees. First one, adjective 1 positive degree, adjective 2 comparative degree and adjective 3 superlative degree. Okay, so here we discuss, for example, one adjective clever. Clever is positive degree. Clever is adjective 1. Comparative degree cleverer. Okay, by adding er, positive degree change into comparative degree. Next, cleverest. By adding est, positive degree changed into superlative degree. Positive degree clever, comparative degree cleverer and superlative degree cleverest. Similarly, tall. Tall is adjective 1 positive degree. Taller adjective 2 comparative degree. Tallest superlative degree adjective 3. Small, smaller, smallest. So by adding er est, positive degree change to comparative and superlative degrees. And also, for example, beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. This is adjective 1 positive degree. So comparative degree more beautiful. Comparative degree more beautiful and superlative degree most beautiful. Most beautiful. So by adding prefix more and most, beautiful adjective 1, beautiful adjective 1 positive degree, more beautiful comparative degree, most beautiful superlative degree. So by adding more and most, positive degrees change to comparative degree and superlative degrees. Okay, here clever, cleverer, cleverest, tall, taller, tallest, high, higher, highest, great, greater, greatest, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, short, shorter, shortest, and beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, handsome, more handsome, most handsome, awful, more awful, most awful. Okay, next some irregular comparisons. For example, good. This is adjective 1 positive degree. Comparative degree better. Superlative degree best. Good, better, best. Good positive degree adjective 1, better comparative degree, best superlative degree. Next, for example, bad. Bad, worse adjective 2, comparative degree worse and superlative degree worst. Okay, these are the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degrees. Okay, there are 3 degrees of comparisons. Degrees of comparison is about adjective degrees. Degrees of adjectives. Okay, there are 3 degrees of adjectives. Adjective 1 positive degree, adjective 2 comparative degree, adjective 3 superlative degree. Okay, so here for example take here here there is a line. So can we say, is this line a smaller or bigger? Okay, is this line a smaller or bigger? We can't say because we cannot compare whether there is only one object. Here there is only one line. Here there is only one line. So we can't compare only one object. If we want to compare, there should be at least 2 objects. For example, one more line here. So now comparing with this line, this is smaller. This is bigger line. This is smaller line. This line is bigger than this line. For example, this is A line and this is B line. So A line is bigger than B line. B line is not as big as A line. Okay, so to compare anything, at least there should be 2 objects. if there are two objects are compared, if there two objects are compared, positive degree and comparative degree are used. Okay. If there more than two objects, if the comparison among more than two objects, okay, if the comparison between only two objects, or the comparison between only two persons, or the comparison between only two places, there is positive degree and comparative degree is possible. If the comparison among more than two objects, superlative degree is also used. Superlative degree is also used. Okay. So if the comparison between only two objects or two places, two things, there is no superlative degree. Okay. In that case, if the comparison between only two places, only positive degree and comparative degree are possible. If the comparison is among more than two objects or two places or two things, superlative degree is also used. So generally in these degrees of comparison, we have 5 models. We have 5 models. Let us discuss. Let us discuss the 5 models with rules. First model, model 1. Model 1, as adjective 1, as adjective 1, as, this is positive degree, in short PD, positive degree. So in comparative degree, not adjective 2, than, not adjective 2, than comparative degree. Okay, let us discuss with, let us explain with one example. Ramu is as tall as Ravi. Okay, this is positive degree sentence, because here the adjective is tall, adjective 1. Okay, this is positive degree. How can we say that this statement is positive degree? Here the adjective is in positive degree form, adjective 1 form, tall. Okay, Ramu is as tall as Ravi, positive degree. Now we are going to change this positive degree into comparative degree. We should begin with Ravi. So here the comparison between only two boys, Ramu and Raju. Ramu and Ravi, sorry, Ramu and Ravi. So here in this statement, in this positive degree statement, the comparison between only two boys, two persons, Ramu and Ravi. So here in this case, we can write this positive degree into only comparative degree. It is not at all possible to change this positive degree into superlative degree, because here the comparison between only two boys, Ramu and Ravi. So begin with Ravi. Ravi is, so here we write not. Ravi is not, adjective 2. What is comparative degree for tall? Taller, not taller. Next the keyword than. In comparative degree, the word than is always followed by comparative degree form, that is taller, that is adjective 2 form. Ravi is not taller than Ramu. Ravi is not taller than Ramu. Ravi is not taller than Ramu. Okay. Ramu is as tall as Ravi, positive degree. Ravi is not taller than Ramu, comparative degree. One more example in this model. Sita is as beautiful as Geeta. Okay, positive degree sentence. Sita is as beautiful as Geeta, positive degree, adjective 1 form, beautiful. Now we begin with Geeta. To change this into comparative degree, Geeta is not. Okay, write not in the structure. I can write here the principle we should follow to change active as positive degree into comparative degree. So Ramu is as tall as Ravi. Ravi is not taller than Ramu. Sita is as beautiful as Geeta. Geeta is not adjective 2 more beautiful. Geeta is not more beautiful. Geeta is not more beautiful than. Geeta is not more beautiful than Sita. Okay, this is the model 1. Okay, Ramu is as tall as Ravi, positive degree. The comparative degree begin with Ravi. Okay, so Ravi is not taller than Ramu. Adjective 1, positive degree, tall. In comparative degree, we write the adjective 2 form, that is comparative form, taller. Next, second example. Sita is as beautiful as Geeta, positive degree. Then comparative degree begin with Geeta. Geeta is not more beautiful than Sita. Okay, now let us discuss the second model. Model 2. So in model 2, model 2 here, not as adjective 1 as, this is positive degree format, not as adjective 1 as. Okay, next adjective 2 comparative degree, next than. Okay, this is comparative degree form. For example, silver is not as precious as gold, positive degree. Here the comparison between only two metals, silver and gold. So comparison between two metals. If the comparison between only two, there should not be any superlative degree. Okay, so positive degree sentence. Silver is not as precious as gold. Here precious is adjective 1, positive degree. Now we begin with gold in comparative degree. Gold is adjective 2, precious. Okay, by adding more and most, the positive degree changed to comparative and superlative. Here the adjective is more. So comparative degree, more precious. More precious. See, gold is more precious than. Okay, gold is more precious than silver. Gold is more precious than silver. Gold is more precious than silver. Next, second example for this model. Ramesh is not as good as Rakesh. Okay, positive degree sentence. Ramesh is not as good as Rakesh. Okay, comparison between Ramesh and Rakesh, and this is in positive degree by this adjective 1 for good. So begin with Rakesh. Comparative degree begin with Rakesh is good, adjective 1. So here we write adjective 2, that is better. Good, positive degree. Better, comparative degree. Rakesh is better than. Rakesh is better than Ramesh. Rakesh is better than Ramesh. This is comparative degree. Okay. So second model, model 2. Okay, model 2. Not as adjective 1 as in positive degree. In comparative degree, the structure adjective 2 plus than. Okay. So one example. First example for this model. Silver is not as precious as gold. Silver is not as precious as gold. Here the comparison between silver and gold. So there should not be any superlative degree. So change into comparative degree, we begin with this gold. The metal gold. Gold is precious, adjective 1. More precious, adjective 2, comparative degree. Gold is more precious than silver. Next, second example. Ramesh is not as good as Rakesh, positive degree. So in comparative degree, begin with Rakesh. Rakesh is good, adjective 1. So adjective 2 is better. Rakesh is better than Ramesh. Okay, thank you.